get what do you want, a t-shirt or a hoodie?
I'll get t-shirt.
2 t-shirts for just simple. We're not fussy. Just subscribe to our channel. That's it. What color you want?
Get a black one.
Black one. Do you have sweatpants? Cause that's what I wear more bottoms than tops. Yeah, some t-shirt.
Black?
Yeah, black with the YouTube man and stuff. What size for you? Medium?
Well, I'm medium. I'm in the middle between small and medium.
You feel medium.
Tell my business like that.
That's pretty good, right? Where's large?
That's fine.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's fine.
Yep. You like mine? Subscribe. You know, YouTube subscribe to my channel.
You just want me to write that?
Yeah, you can write it. Just put it. Oh yeah. You're supposed to already have that.
I'll just make you a quick question.
Yeah. That's all you gotta do is put the name of the channel on it.
And then yeah, put the actual channel name.
Okay. Do you want to write it?
Yeah.
Oh, we were gonna show you so you can write it. That's fine.
Write exactly what you want to do.
Alright.
Subscribe to our channel. So you got a ton of those.
Alright.
Subscribe to our channel.
It should be on the back, right?
In the back, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be like that. Yeah.
All right.
No, it should be on the front. Remember, it's winter now.
Oh yeah, because we're wearing
Winter
coats.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you want me to like leave some space and then put your name?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Please. So white for the letters, and then
Red for the YouTube logo.
yeah.
You guys give me like 15 too.
Ooh, you guys like the TikTok one? Y'all should subscribe to our TikTok. Oh, it's not subscribe. Follow us on TikTok. Somebody can drop us a cash up so we can buy this t-shirt. It's fire.
You don't have one.
The other.
Which is the.
Hello. Guess what? One of my subscribers sent me packages. I feel so famous. With one package, 2 packages. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Alright, so I don't want y'all to see the address and none of these packages. So, I'm gonna open it from the open it from the bottom. Alright. Okay. Let's see what's in there. Look here. It's looking good already. Babe, you gotta come see this. Woo. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. School bell ring. Hey, 945. Come like pin off it. Hey, booyah. Hey. Alright, let me get this from a different angle. Alright, so this is from a different angle. Alright. So first up in the box is my ting-a-ling-a-ling. remember these? Big. Hey, this is the pipes. Pepper one. This is a regular one. This is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yes. Yes, I gotta take a photo with that one. Oh, yes. Baby. Where you at? Come get all them goodies. Yes. I'm winning right now. I get. Yeah. Bam, 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 bam. Church, this is hot. I'm gonna burn my baby mouth out with this. When you go to Jamaica, you're gonna ask for jerk seasoning. Go to the gift shop and ask for jerk chicken. Buy two. One for me and one for you. Go, baby, come get it.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my favorite right here, man.
Oh.
This is a big full. You never tried it?
No,
Let you try this
no.
one? You gotta try this one.
Well, that's most definitely gonna be another video. I can try some of them. Not all of them. I don't need all your home
All right, let's open this one, guys. Nobody open box like this. All right, let me fix it. Okay. All right.
All right, sweetie. Ooh, things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. All right.
This one like it have saltfish in it. Right there. This one has smell like saltfish. Huh? Yeah. Saltfish the panko ta Uno alimanti mackerel. That's so how much for this at Jamaica? You see how much for it up here? Ooh, anybody pop that box here? Mwah. Thank you. Kalaloo. Kalaloo. Click that like button if you want me to see what I do with this kalaloo. And bam. Aki. Aki and kalaloo. Bye bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Aki and kalaloo. Yes, sir. Peace. Yeah, man, I love the box. I love it. Thank you so much. This made my day. This made my day. Let me show you all that I got. Y'all take a note, please. Take a note. Take a note. Y'all send me some of this, okay? Send me. If you wanna send me a video or send a packet, I don't have the money. Just send me a message. Email me. Please send me money. Go. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. So, yeah. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I feel so good. Bye. Come to the bonus scene. So I got saltfish from the package. So I am making a saltfish breakfast. Those are fried plantain going in the bowl of green plantain, right? So I'm gonna fry those up, flatten those, sprinkle some salt. You see as I go. And we gotta boil the saltfish, peel it apart, and then make uh, the plantain. I just call it plantain cups for now. It looks so good. Thank you so much for watching. Right, watch me do some stuff with food. Alright, just leave a like to see what I do next with the rest of the stuff in the box. Look at that saltfish. Alright, go like it on my TikTok page. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. Right, see? Look, that's the view from that angle. And look at my baby. Ooh, we enjoy that. Ooh, look at that. Yeah.